Please welcome Khun Richie.
Good morning, Pontobrotto Kosalimpisha, Mr. John Gunter and Miss Susan Stevenson, and all of AUA teacher and AUA staff, and all of QT students. My name is Pirawat Arya Sapkamon, or you can call me Richie. I am deeply appreciated and honored to be here and be a part of your success. I have a useful gift to give all of you on this memorable and successful day. It is meditation. I believe many of you have heard of meditation before and want to try once in a lifetime. I would like to provide you some techniques to achieve easy meditation. Meditation is somewhat close to consciousness, which also relates to mind. Each person has his own mind, as well as his own favorite. To explain, there are various ways in practicing conscious meditation. It depends on which method you prefer. Meditation enhances your calmness and consciousness. Some can develop their meditation by concentrating on their breath, while others cannot. This is because we are all different. Therefore, there are many types of meditation to meet the needs of different individuals. In the end, every meditation brings calmness and consciousness. However, when we are in a trance, our mind is calm but not conscious. So, this is not meditation. Calmness for meditation means a condition where we do not think of anything. If we aim to do meditation for 5 minutes, we must not have anything in our head or mind for that time. For example, if you have 3 things to think about, finish with them and be done before your meditation. This is hard for us because our mind is very sensitive. When you think of something during meditation, you just think of it and let it go. Then you will not have other things to think about to be calm. You totally focus on yourself. The more you focus on yourself, the more you develop your meditation. Some people wonder how we know whether our mind is calm. You can easily compare a calm mind with the feeling before you fall asleep. They are similar to each other. Before you fall asleep, you do not think about anything. Your mind is calm but do not have consciousness. This is the difference. The basics of meditation are calmness and consciousness. Consciousness means the awareness of oneself. External consciousness tells us what is happening around, while internal consciousness tells us what we are doing. During meditation, we may hear sounds of passing traffic, but we pay them no attention. If we follow the sound, we do not have consciousness. We just focus on oneself. We should have both external and internal consciousness. Internal consciousness will tell us what we are doing at the moment. Whenever we are calm, consciousness will come. Personally, I don't care much about posture. During meditation, you may sit and lean against a wall, sit on a sofa, or if you are ill, you may even lie down. The goal is to maintain calm and concentration. Do not lose consciousness. Meditation is to concentrate on ourselves. We mostly focus on one spot in ourselves, such as the center of the abdomen. Whenever we think of something, our mind will be with the thought. Today, you may start while washing dishes at your home and concentrate only on the dishes, or you may even focus on the buffet after this talk. By the way, I believe that the gift I gave you would be useful, both at the present time and in the future. Just try. You will perceive that the happiness from peaceful moment and mind is supreme and incomparable. It is the happiness which you could easily seek, just at the corner of your eyes. Let's find it from your mind. Thank you so much for paying warming attention. ขอบคุณครับ